Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Central Equipment Identity Register website. So it is used for finding your lost mobile phones. So what you do is that you can come here and block your lost mobile phone. You can also unblock your mobile phone once you have found it. You can check the request status of the blocking or unblocking. So this will avoid people from buying the stolen mobiles in the market. So you might have noticed that people steal other people's phone and sell in the market. So after the thief has stolen the phone and sold it in the market, then you can block that phone. So once that number is blocked, then it cannot connect to any network in India. So once you find that phone back, you can unblock it. So before buying any phone, you should ideally check for whether that phone has been stolen or not. You can do that by coming to this website. You can just type in your IMEI number and send it to this number to see whether that number has been blacklisted or not. So how do you block a phone? So you can come to this website, and through a form you can submit the following information. You need to file a report with police and keep a copy of the report. You can get a duplicate SIM card for the lost number from your telecom service provider. This is essential because you will need to provide this as a primary mobile number while submitting the requesting for blocking your IMEI number. And you can get your documents, a copy of a police report and an identity proof, which is a must. You can also provide the mobile purchase invoice that will contain IMEI number of your phone. Then fill out the request registration form from blocking the IMEI of the lost stolen phone. After submitting the form, you will get a request ID. So once you have found the form, you can unblock it. You come to this form and you can see block stolen lost mobile. So here you can see the mobile number, IMEI number, primary number that has been put. Then you can put the mobile number to the device brand. So if it is like an iPhone, you can search for Apple. So yeah, then you can put in the device model, upload the mobile purchase invoice. You can put the lost information where the phone was lost, Union territory or state, district, the police complaint number you have to put in, the last date, the police station at which you have filed the complaint. Here you have to put in the mobile owner personal information, and you can hit submit. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.